This is the QMZ 1670 VMC from Maxmill, and you'll notice the first thing is that it's 1670, not 1680 or 1690, and this is the first special feature of this machine. This whole machine can easily fit into a standard shipping container. It's simply split into two parts and can be easily shipped internationally, unlike most other machining centers of this size. The second key feature of this machine is that it's specially designed for machining thin plate. Now normally when you're cutting thin plate you must lift it up so the spindle can cut, but in this case they've designed the machine so the spindle's minimum clearance above the work table is only 75 millimeters, and the spindle has also specially been strengthened to reduce vibration, so you can easily cut thin plate without having to have a complex clamping system to lift it off the work table. If you'd like to know more about the products from Maxmill, then please check the link at the end of the video.